Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use a loom in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video. In order to go ahead and craft a loom, here is going to be the recipe. Put 4 of your planks, just like that, and then put 2 strings in order to go ahead and create your loom. Then you can simply go ahead and place your loom on the ground and then right click to open the interface of your loom. Here there is going to be a little banner spot, and there's also going to be a die spot on the bottom. You can also go ahead and select a pattern from the list right over here, and there is going to be a little output slot. You can simply go ahead and craft a banner. In order to craft a banner, this is exactly how you do it. Put 6 walls and a stick, and once you've done that, put your banner and the die on the bottom, and it is going to simply go ahead and create the example patterns right over here. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.